What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. A little bit of a predicament here. I got a subscriber. He's got a 2019 Mustang GT. Obviously we all know that has the 5.0 in it. We all know about the barbecue tick or the diesel type knock noise, and the F-150s also do it, and that's from 2011 all the way till now, and that's completely normal. There's concern of his. He took it to the dealership and it sat outside, and they told him that he couldn't look at it. They couldn't look at it apparently because it doesn't have any codes in it. Basically, I mean, the car, he said he just had an oil change at 7,400 miles and it started making a really weird noise. Well, the barbecue tick usually does show up at about when you do your first oil change, but they're telling him they can't look at it because there's no codes in it, which is not right. If it's under warranty and you have a concern, they're supposed to take it in and look at it. So the noise that you're gonna hear and he's gonna let me use the video, and I appreciate that. His name's The Dude, and I'll leave a link to his channel. You're gonna hear the diesel type knock noise. You're gonna hear the barbecue tick, and tick 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 tick, and it just kind of randomly does it. When he raises his RPMs, you're going to hear what sounds like, to me, just from the video, is cylinder 1 scoring. It's going to be a clanky, like ticking, tapping, and it gets louder with RPMs. As he raises the RPMs, you can hear it get louder and louder and louder. And to me, listening to it from a video, of course I'm not there to look at it, it does not sound normal, and it does need to be looked at least be looked at by a dealership and have their master tech or senior master tech look at it. Well, if it's under warranty, it's going to be one of those guys anyway, or somebody who's engine certified. Just put peace of mind. If there's nothing wrong with it, there's nothing wrong, but from the looks of the video or from the sounds of it, it sounds like something is definitely wrong. And I asked, did they put the correct amount of oil in it? Those take 10 quarts. There's been cases where dealerships, put 8.5 in there, and they were low on oil, but he said he checked the oil level and it's good. So I'm gonna play that video for you right now. Alright, what do you guys think? What do you think it is? Think it's something detrimental to the engine? You think it's something wrong? That's all the info I have on it right now. Like I said, to me, it doesn't sound too good. We're trying to get him in to a dealership somewhere, and they keep, the one that's a mile from his house keeps turning him away. He's in Tampa, on the west side of Tampa, so all my Florida subscribers, please try to reach out to this guy. See if we can get him to another Ford dealership. I know we all are a tight-knit community here, and we all try to help each other out, and I appreciate that. So go ahead, share the video, let other people hear it, and see if we can get this guy some help. And don't forget to go to his channel, and I'll put the link down there so you just subscribe to it. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one. Love you.